Hi everyone! Today we will learn how to identify missing numbers and variables on a number line. On a number line, smaller values are further left, while larger values are further right. One important feature of number lines is that the spacing between tick marks is always even. The intervals are all the same size. Looking at the number line here, we can see that each tick marks increases by 1, meaning each interval represents 1 unit. In our first example, we are asked to identify a missing number. The first step is to figure out the size of each interval. From 0 to 1, we can see the difference is 1. So, each step on this number line goes up by 1. We are trying to find the number that comes just after negative 2, which means we add 1 to negative 2. Negative 2 plus 1 equals negative 1. So the missing number is negative 1. Let's try another one. This time we have two missing values to find. We will use the same strategy. First, let's figure out the interval size. From 0 to 5 is one interval and the difference is 5. So each step here represents 5 units. Let's start with the leftmost missing number. We know the number just before it's negative 10. If we add 5 to negative 10, we get negative 5. So the first missing number is negative 5. Next, let's find the second missing number. The number directly before it's 5. And if we add 5 to 5, we get 10. So the complete number line is negative 10, negative 5, 0, 5, and 10. In our third example, instead of a number, we are finding the value of a variable, which is x. To do this, we need to determine how much each interval represents. The number line goes from 2 to 3 and is divided into 10 equal parts. This means that each interval represents 1/10 or 0.1. Now let's count how many intervals there are between 2 and x. Notice that there are 4 intervals from 2 to x, and each step is 0.1. Since x is to the right of 2, we know that we will add 4/10 to 2. That means the value of x is 2.4. Remember, whether you are finding missing numbers or solving for variables, always follow these 3 steps. First, determine the size of each interval. Next, check the direction. Move left and subtract. Move right and add. Finally, count the number of intervals carefully. That's it for today's class. Got a question? Comment below. And if you had fun with Do You Math Studio with me, Duygu, subscribe so you don't miss the next one.